So exactly when I start to film, Asha has to talk. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just had a great idea to show you guys how I use my egg replacer, when I'm cooking. Actually, this is the first time I'm gonna use it, so it's gonna be a shared experience with you guys. So I just got back from Target, and I don't know if you guys watch my video, my haul, my like healthy haul that I made with my husband, with TJ. I got this egg replacer from Whole Food. That is the egg replacer. So I got this and I'm so excited to try and see if it really works. So better than, let's make a video about it. So I'm going to make today, excuse Asher, I'm going to make today this rainbow cake. That is TJ's favorite cake. Actually, this is not like healthy, but you know, he loves this cake. And today is Sunday, and I'm gonna try make this rainbow cake, replacing the eggs. Actually, they say for you to use water, but I'm going to use milk. And this is the milk. And also in my grocery haul, I spoke about the Earth Balance butter, and that's the one I'm gonna use today. So this one I'm gonna show you guys. This one. You guys can see better? Yeah. So yeah, let's start it. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it, and let's do this cake and see if it works. So guys, that's pretty much everything that you're gonna need. The egg replacer, the almond milk. I'm using almond milk, but if you want, you can use just water. The earth butter, water, and that is everything. And actually, I already put the powder here, and from the rainbow cake. So I already put the powder here, but now we have to make the egg replacer. So now we are going to mix. To replace one egg, you're gonna use 1 tablespoon. Actually, this is half, so I'm going to use 2 of these. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon with 2 tablespoons of water. So you guys gonna see I am doing 2 of these because this is and a half, and I actually don't know where is the other one.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
And then after you do this, you're gonna let sit for a minute. So after they get like this, you see, you gonna let rest sit for a minute. Guys, we left the egg replacer for 1 minute rest and sit. And now we're gonna put all here inside. That is the powder, comes from the rainbow cake. So after, you see, after a minute they get like this. That's the consistency. So here is
Thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy.
just walk around. So now I'm gonna put the butter. The boxes say that you need to put a half a cup of oil, but I'm going to use the earth butter. That is the vegan butter that comes in here. So I put 1 minute in a microwave, and that is the butter. I'm going to use this almond milk. So that is 1 cup. 1 cup. So when everything is inside, you can start just put everything together. I like to put everything in one time, but the order of the things is like, it's up to you. You do what you like.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before,
So now I'm going to use the coconut oil spray, so I can put it here.
just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before.
So I'm gonna use this whole wheat flour to put just a little bit like this.
What size is that?
No, we just use a little bit just to put it
So it's not sticking?
not sticky.
Best cake in the whole world.
Let's just see if it is turned good or not, guys. It's the first time I'm doing. I have no idea if this is gonna be good or not. I always like to use this so it's like easy to take everything.
It's finger licking good. Asher agrees.
So yeah, it's ready. And we're gonna put it in the So guys, that's the final product. That's the final. That is the cake. Looks so beautiful. Really beautiful. And now I have to wait a little bit so I can show you guys, because the truth is yet to come, because we don't know if this little guy tastes good or not. Here is the truth. Let's see if this cake works or not.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Before I open it, I am really bad in doing cake. Ta-da! Wow, that looks beautiful. We don't touch here,
Nice,
but
Mama. Is it cooked?
yes. Why you always ask me this
Yeah,
question?
no, I'm not doubting you. The oven.
This is there, but now we have to try.
And then frosting.
No, we don't have frosting.
What?
Because we are...
You said we had frosting.
But we are doing a diet. The frost is not organic.
Oh my.
Let's do the true here.
The true test.
Oh guys, it's very soft. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
So good it's falling apart. Okay.
Very good.
Good.
So, the cake works.